Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, I went garage sailing this Saturday. I just wanted to show everybody what I got. Um, it's late April, still kind of chilly out. It was about 35 degrees when I started out this morning. Left at about 9 o'clock. I think we probably hit about 6 or 7 garage sales, and we didn't go too far. Maybe about 10 miles away was the farthest. And there was actually a fair amount of people stopping and looking at stuff, which was kind of surprising. I figured I'd be the only one out, but I'll show you what I got, what I paid, and probably what I can get money for the item. So we'll start over here. Got this fishing net here. Fishing isn't the most popular thing in kind of the arid mountainous part of Utah, but I still think people are going to buy that. Got it for $2. I think I can probably get 10 or 15 out of it. Facebook Marketplace. Got this cooler here. I think it's 54 quarts. I think that's the measurement. And got $5 for that. I've sold them before for 15, so I can triple my money there. I got this Roxy um, back backpack, and it's probably not going to sell till like late summer, I think. But I still think Roxy is in. It's kind of got that boho style to it, and like this faux leather straps. I think somebody would still like it. Um, Maybe like $15, $20. We'll see. And then I think this was the best purchase I made today. It's like kids. What's the brand on these? 24/7 bindings, and they're not as nice as like Union or Flux or Burden. But I still think if you're looking for a budget snowboard binding, I think somebody will pick these up. I got some bonus hardware. It was just kind of laying around the table, and got the discs. Here's all. Whoops. Here's all the screws. If it didn't have the screws, I probably wouldn't have picked it up, because I'm not exactly sure if it's gonna sell because kid sizes are usually kind of iffy, kind of weird. But yeah, I think I did all right. I'm trying to think how long I spent out there. Besides kind of dillying dallying, maybe this took about 2 hours, but I have the free time. Have the free time to drive around and stuff like that. So here's what I got. It's late April, so I don't think we did do too bad. A lot of people were saying it wasn't too busy due to the weather, and I don't know. I'm trying to think what else I saw today. Just like like a lot of it seemed like spring cleaning kind of stuff, and not too nice. Maybe just kind of the people that really want it. It seemed like it was like moving, or we're moving out the kids or moving out of the house kind of thing, or spring cleaning too. Lots of clothes, lots of shoes. So here's what I got. Probably end up spending how much here? Five, 10. I think I spent $14 altogether. So, and maybe a gallon of gas. So that's like 350. So not a bad day. Um, Probably hope for some better hauls later, but not too bad. And I'll cut it short here. All right, guys. Good luck. See ya.